Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you with valuable knowledge to make your cleaning routine a breeze. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Hoover vacuum cleaners, and we'll show you how to unleash their full potential. Let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Hoover vacuum cleaner assembly. Before we begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of a Hoover vacuum cleaner and how to assemble them. First, unpack all the components, including the vacuum body, hose, attachments, and power cord. Follow the user manual provided by the manufacturer for precise instructions on assembly. Once you've assembled your Hoover vacuum cleaner, you're ready to move on to the next step. Using your Hoover vacuum cleaner. Using a Hoover vacuum cleaner is a simple and straightforward process. Start by plugging in the power cord and ensuring it's securely connected. Next, choose the appropriate attachment for the surface you'll be cleaning. Whether it's a carpet, hardwood floor, or upholstery, Hoover offers a range of attachments to tackle any cleaning task with precision. Attach the desired tool and you're ready to go. Efficient cleaning techniques. To achieve the best results, it's essential to employ proper cleaning techniques. Begin by pushing the vacuum cleaner in straight overlapping lines for even coverage. Adjust the height setting according to the surface you're cleaning. Slowly move the vacuum cleaner forward, allowing it to suction up dirt and debris effectively. Remember to clean both horizontally and vertically to ensure no area is left untouched. Maintenance and care. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your Hoover vacuum cleaner in top shape. After each use, empty the dustbin and remove any clogs from the brush roller attachments. Check the filters regularly and clean or replace them as needed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.